Hello everybody and welcome back to Ms. Hill Magazine. I am your returning champ, also known as Valencia Hill, aka Editor-in-Chief of Ms. Hill Magazine. A little Jeopardy humor in there. Okay, so as you can tell by our cover, we did an in-depth examination into giving, receiving, and thanking. Now I know a lot of you out there are really good at giving, but how good are you at actually receiving? Maybe receiving help or a compliment from a stranger, or even a random act of kindness. What do you do with that? And then how do you pay that forward? Throughout the magazine, we give you lots of examples of how to be a better giver, thinker, and receiver. And speaking of that, what better thing to give than flowers? And on page 7 of the director's cut, we show you how to take flowers wherever you go. And because you guys have given us so much, we have been able to add a couple of new sections to the magazine. One is called Hunger. We take a look at food because we know when Miss Hill goes out on the town, she looks good. We show you what to do, eat, drink, all of that. And then we also added another section called Hill Repair. Drop off your heels, AKA your problems, and we help solve them. You guys have been so good to us. I thank you for your readership, and I hope to see you again in December. Be safe and happy Thanksgiving to all of my fellow Americans. See you in December.